Alrighty, here's part 2 of our video. Now we're going to focus on the inside of this beautiful coming soon property that you are just going to love. Completely renovated. So as you can see, there's plenty of space here for a gathering, for having friends and family over. Beautiful views. Let's go overhead and take a look through the kitchen area. You can see it's been completely remodeled. New appliances, quartz countertops, great cabinetry, floor oven and stove, all electric, stainless steel appliances, soft close drawers, nice little kitchen area to sit down and have breakfast, an area for a dining table, the chandelier. Over here we have the laundry room, and there's a pantry inside. Over this way, we have what would be a mudroom and then a beautiful big office that's over there. I'll show you that later. Let's go take a look at the rest of the house. So as you can see, that's where the front door is. So as immediately you come in, you can see the view off the beautiful balcony. Views all across the board. This home has a really neat feature. It has a humidity monitoring system to adjust humidity in the house, which is kind of unique. Haven't seen that too often. We have Daikin system for climate control. We got lots of closet space. As we go over this direction, we have one of the primary bedrooms with direct access to the beautiful balcony where you can see these great morning views of the gardens. The renovated bathroom, shower, look at that. Obviously the big closet right over there. And as we go down this hallway here, we're gonna go to bedroom number 2. Let's go with a wider frame here. There's a closet, lots of natural light. Here we have a completely renovated bathroom. And then we have the third bedroom, which has the ventilation, windows, the square footage. Doesn't have a closet, but it does have the other amenities and the square footage that allows us to label it a bedroom. So that's basically the inside of this gorgeous home. Perfect for a family that would like to enjoy beautiful views and peace and quiet and wake up to this every day. So anyway, we'll talk to you soon.